City, a Midwestern town in the United States, was destroyed when a substance known as the T-virus leaked throughout the town. However, Umbrella, the corporation developing the virus, refused to abort the project. And once again, the threat of biological terror was thrust upon the world. A large amount of T-virus was stolen 3 days ago. A terrorist group hit an Umbrella lab in France. Yesterday, one of Umbrella's cruisers was hijacked and contaminated with the same virus.
Why you American spies choose to use such ugly guns is still a mystery to me.
Morpheus. Think that cheap balloon you're wearing is going to your head. What do you plan to do with the T-virus?
I'm afraid that's all the playtime we have for today. You die. Now. $5 billion.
Yes. We have until midnight tomorrow. Retrieve the virus from the Morpheus.
Oh, wait, you saved me earlier. You're Chinese Security Bureau, huh? Looks like we're in the same business.
Same business doesn't mean same side, Bruce McGivern.
You already know my name. That makes sense since you're blackmailing both of our crews. What's your name? If cooperation is too much to ask for on our first date, might I suggest we simply stay out of each other's way?
Foley, that's my name.
Okay, let's start.
If you really want to help,
Feisty. What? I did push the start button. Okay, this is good. The hell is A2? What the hell is V5? Oh, it's direction. Oh, wait a second. Shit. Oh, you gave me actually a good idea, Absolute MMA. Nice catch. Okay, let's go for this. Matrix. P matrix. You see, I wanted to have an integrated debugger at some point, and you gave me the right idea. So let's see. Tama. Give me quite a good idea there. And let's see, can I grab any of this data from my 1.5 stuff because I already have this. Let's see. I think it's in stage weapon. Tama reload and Tama quick reload. Okay, there we go. There, here. Let's see, where the hell is this? There we go. Okay. And then, okay, we don't need this. Just source item. Okay, let's see if I can declare this. Naked, 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 and naked again. Ah. There we go. So jump ESP call, jump mod set. No. Wait. Jump search item ED. Good evening. Just in time. Let's see, PG item. There we go. I need to fix this for good measure. Probably doesn't need this or this either. Okay, most references are there already, I guess. So these two functions should be good, I guess. Let's see, do I need this? I probably don't. Where is the code for this? There we go, one is done, and The other is here somewhere. There we go. Now, about this, I need to override this, I believe. Let's see. Wait a second, that one is still not fixed. Okay, no more errors. And this is not necessary at all. And I need to change this T7 to T4 to T7. Come on. Come on, it's here. I know it's here. Weapon 1 T7, and it's there. Ah, come on. Come on, game. Catch up. Okay, I see. Oh, this is why it's not recognizing it. Okay, first of all, let's see, where is this? I need ESP, call, sort item, search it. Actually, let's move this a bit away. There we go. This way as well. There we go. Now, ESP call, our procedure mag set. Then for procedure search item ID. Oh, wait a second, I already have this one, I think. So let's drop this. There we go, drop this. And let's see. There we go. This should fix any previous code, and then there's sort item. For procedure, sort item. And now I populate them. So let's go for assign, 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 and assign. And then this is the thing that I need. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it's not finding this data here. So let's see, where could this be? It's not finding item data, which I think is here. Okay, let's see. Tama. It's called And I wait. What the hell is it called? Item data TBL. So item data TBL is this here. Okay, let's change this and item data takes this. Okay. Perfect. There we go. This should fix the tactical reload, I think. And now for the big trick. Where is this? Is this even the table 1 actually? Or is it table? Okay, which is the knife and which is the gun? Let's see, weapon 1 TBL. Weapon 1 T1, was it? Yeah, it's weapon 1 T1, though I don't remember what's the difference between these. So let's see what is that I patch here. Hey T lady. So tactical reload goes into 4D5. Okay, no. This is probably not necessary anymore. Let's see, 1, 2. I think it should be weapon 1 TBL. So weapon 1 TBL. Does this match anything whatsoever? 20. 5. No, okay, this is broken. It should actually be weapon 0 TBL. Okay, this is for the gun, I think. And if this is weapon, actually, let me see something. Oh no, weapon 0 is actually it's barehanded, so it's totally broken. What the hell is T6? Does nothing. Why the cabs? Okay, I need to rewrite this because it's definitely incorrect. So let's see. The table is okay. There we go. What? Okay. Reloading. This is identical, and T5 should be identical as well. There we go. Done. So Let's see. Quick reload should actually have not T7 but T6, and so this goes 6. If everything is done correctly, this should be the result of this. And I need to patch this table here, which is, let's see, there we go. Install tactical reload. Actually, you know what? I have a way better idea here. For these. Takes PL and M down. TBL. Okay, no, this is not correct. Let's see, force cast as the ward here. Why doesn't it force the cast? This is weird. It shouldn't be like this, but still. I'm doing great. Clap, clap, clap. Why is this not copying the thing that I need? I'm pretty sure this is how you set. Let me try something again. Okay, why does this not? The word cannot be assigned to an entity of type D word. I cannot do this though, because this would just, as expected. Oh, stupid me. There we go. Probably works like this. Nope, it doesn't work. What the hell is broken with this? Is this because I fucked up something else? Let's see. What the hell did I break here? Vector subscript. Oh, come on, what the hell did I just break? Yeah, it is dead aim. No update for now, Alex. Let's try and see if this disabling this does anything, but I don't think that's the browser. Oh, this is the reason, I think. Yeah, as expected, that was the stupidest reason why this was not working. I suspect this might kill the game. I mean the stream. So let's better skip this. Let's work. Let's go to another Survivor title. What? I didn't install. As expected. Works. Haha, there we go. So tactical reload done. First try. So this works with let's see. Fire, map, reload. There we go. Let's see if this works on other weapons as well, which I think could be done like this. Let's see. Magnum ammo. Oh, wait a second. It's far. I mean, decrease the amount of ammo. How much do I even have? Nah, it's way too much. Let's see if I can fix this real quickly. Yeah, there we go. F12. Let's change this to 10. There we go. what? Oh, wait. I fucked up. Okay, let's drop this for now. I don't think this will work, but whatever. Shotgun. Ah, got the wrong one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this does not work with the Magnum for whatever reason. Let me see why this is not working with the Magnum. Okay, this is indeed the Magnum. 6 bullets. And let's get the item data for this. I think this is broken. Oh yeah, it's broken. I got... Or maybe not. Result type with pick number. There's no pick number at all. Okay, item max. Yeah, it's still a bit broken. Probably needs something special. OBS broken? What happened to OBS? Let's see, item data. No, this is actually the item data that I have in the game, so it shouldn't be. Let's see, what the hell could the issue be here? I think I might have gotten the wrong one. Let's see, ID. Let's try this instead. Okay. Maybe this will fix some things, I guess. And here as well. Let's try the same thing, really. Okay, item maximum is 8, so this is correct. There we go. Reloaded. Any improvement? Did this fix anything whatsoever? Let me know if this fixed the slideshow effect. It's okay now? Yeah, it was just the server, really. I guess the primary server was broken for whatever reason, I don't know. Now let's try and see if... where the hell is the ammo here? Let's drop some more ammo. And there you go, it works. Let's try. Now this doesn't really like what I'm trying to do. Okay, equip number is always 0, so I'm guessing this structure is not even properly repopulated for whatever reason. Probably the game is not even reading it. So okay, it shouldn't be equip number, but it should be equip ID. Let's try and see if this fixes anything. Okay, let's try and reboot this. Okay. This did fix it. Let's try and see. 5. No, this is not loading again. Why is it not loading now? Now I think equipment is actually totally broken as a value, so I cannot rely on it at all. So let's go for Tama reload check and see what the hell this is using, because I think this is actually using a variable from here. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, please do this. I think this is equip ID, so there we go. Okay, so it's definitely using some other value for whatever reason. I'm not quite sure why. Let's see. Let's try and use this. Not working, still not working. Ah, shit. The fuck game? Let's try it like this. Okay, problem 1 found, problem 2 found as well. Okay, this should possibly fix everything. Yep, it is. Ah, shit. Come on, go away. Good, should work now. Is it 8? Okay. There we go. Fixed. And let's try and see if this works the same. 7 and 8. There we go. It's working. Now, of course, the custom handgun is going to take some other code, I'm guessing. Okay. How much ammo did I have? Okay, 5. And 5 is the reminder, so it should be 18 and 4. Yes, okay. Tactical reload seems to work fine. And I think this should also work for the shotguns. Probably some other weapons as well. Let's see, what was it? Shotgun type 1, shotgun type 2, and what other weapon can be reloaded? This can be reloaded indeed. Though I don't think the flamethrower actually reloads on its own. No, it actually reloads. Neat. Didn't know this was possible. Though I suspect this is not going to quick reload. Nope, doesn't reload. Should be 5. And there we go. We have 5 bullets left and 9 in the shotgun shell. This is going to take a few more rounds. This should be 6. There we go. 8 and 7. So the quick reload works for most weapons, I guess. Okay, now about the rest of these. I need to remember what the hell this was. Okay, so this was the flamethrower, I think. Let's see, what the hell did I call them? So the one is flamethrower, the other is the spark shot. I don't think the spark shot actually reloads, though it does have batteries, but you cannot quick reload at all. So let's see. Sure. The custom handgun. It has. Oh, wait a second. The custom gun does stem from the very exact same code, but it doesn't do anything. I'm suspecting. So let's try and see. What was it called? I think it's routine 4 does everything for this. Okay, I need this. Okay, this is the same. Oh, wait, no, this is not the same at all. Oh, no, it's the same, actually. T2, however, is different. So let's replace T2. There we go. T3 is the same for every weapon, so it stays the same. T4 is the same as well, so it stays, and T5 is the same as well, so this should be good. Now let's replace this, and this should technically fix weapon, what was it? Weapon 4? Yeah. Weapon 4 is 4D E0. E90 actually. Oopsie. There we go. Done. This triggers the quick reload for this as well. So let's see. Now the flamethrower though. The flamethrower. Spark shot. Okay, the Gatling gun doesn't get. Ah, wait a second. Is this the Gatling gun or is this actually the machine gun? I think some weapons shouldn't even check for a quick reload.
Picture? No. This is me. I am Vincent. It was all my fault.
Okay, let's try and see this. So, I need to. Oh, Jesus. Wait a second. If I go unarmed, does this even? Oh no. Oh wait. I cannot do this because unarmed doesn't have the code to do this. Of course, of course. Though the knife. Oopsie. Does the knife even try to quick reload? No, the knife doesn't try to quick reload at all. So now this is not. Is it normal that? Okay, no. It's just that collision in particular that doesn't bounce. Wait a second, I'm missing the chat, so I'm gonna read what I missed. So, anonymous user, is this for the PSX? No, of course, this doesn't look even remotely like it. Actually, the weapon was impossible back in the day. Well, Claire specifically, no one could figure this shit out. And I remember I used game shortcut to swap weapons. PC, new or hacked. This is the. Are you gonna put the quick save? Oh. You're on your own to find the game. I mean, internet. That's the thing. The game is not being sold anymore, but I cannot tell you where to grab a copy. Legally, I mean. Wait a second. Let me just go grab something. No, I don't think you can buy it. At this point, the game is just in collector's hands, and I doubt you can find a legit copy. I mean, I'm not telling you where to grab a copy, but it's been floating for quite a while. And so basically, yeah, only used copies are the way to go there. So basically, don't ask here about downloading the game, but it's pretty much the only way unless you wanna buy a second-hand copy. So yeah, the only thing that you can do there is go grab a second-hand copy. I think it's probably on eBay or some Japanese auction site. Auction, I mean. Whoopsie. I think I'm going to take a quick break, really. So be right back in a few minutes. I just need to grab a cup of tea, some milk, and biscuits, I guess. Well, Silent Hill, it's not like not many people actually own a real legit copy of the game, so I can't blame you, really. If you don't have a legit copy, oh, that's fine. I won't blame you, really. I downloaded pirated weird. Okay, so let's see. Is there any weapon that actually tries to check? Let me see if there's any weapon that cannot be normally used that does try to quick reload. Now, okay, the machine gun doesn't try to quick reload at all. I don't think it can even reload. Probably just runs into its own cycle. The rocket launcher cannot. Probably the Beretta can, though I don't think it works on Leon. Oh, nice. The rocket launcher actually tries to do this, and I think it fails miserably. Yeah, of course, it's not going to do anything whatsoever. Let's see, the Gatling gun, does it try to quick? No, the Gatling gun doesn't try to quick reload. Now it's, oh yeah, bullshit. I know a way here to fix the game into not crashing, I guess. Let's see, where was it? PL0. I need PL0022, and this should be called weapon 13, I think it is. Yeah, there we go. Chris's handgun in Leon's hands. And of course it does load correctly, I'm guessing. So 13, and there we go. See, can I actually reload it? Does it really reload? Yeah, it does reload, indeed. Reloads just fine. Oh, I didn't show you what I was doing, I forgot. So now the Beretta, which is not an available weapon for Leon, loads, and so do most weapons that can do that. There we go. There. Does retro mode make it look like the PSX version? Because when I use it, it just makes it... it basically goes in 240p mode in retro mode. That's it. That's just what it does. Well, you can use retro mode and retro shade to simulate ATV on PC, so that's really all that you need. So, okay, the hack is mostly done, I'm guessing. So what is still missing is the flamethrower, but since that's not supposed to be a weapon that you reload, it doesn't really matter at all. Though I probably want to check something here real quick, just in case. I want to see if the machine gun actually reloads in game, because I think it does, since it does have ammunition. Well, that I could add it. I did think of that possibility, but it's not really intended for the original game, so it doesn't really matter. Let's see. What kind of... Was this the one? Oh wait, I haven't tested yet. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it does reload. And of course, probably needs some very specific code for this, which I suspect it might be this code here. I think it's the Gatling gun. Yeah, it's the Gatling gun because it runs on a slightly different cycle than usual weapons. And it works for flamethrower, spark shot, and Gatling gun, which I'm guessing the Gatling gun might just be let's see, what is the... No, wait, this is actually the rocket launcher. I don't think this is the rocket launcher at all. I don't think this is the rocket launcher. I think this is... barehanded is not even a weapon. Combat knife, Beretta, and I think after the Beretta comes something else. Though why is this here? Is this actually accounting for an extra weapon? Let's see, submachine gun is actually counted as weapon 2, and weapon 2 is also the flamethrower, and rocket launcher works just like most weapons, I'm guessing. So what the hell is this last weapon? Is this a dummy? I think this is a dummy, actually. They probably added it. They mistakenly added it, this one. And also, the nice thing about this is that it can be used to create brand new weapons, by the way. Just in case. No, it's not the Calico. The Calico doesn't even exist. Though it could be added, I'm guessing. Maybe. Not quite sure if it's possible, but maybe. Could be done in some ways, I guess. Just a bit too hacky, but can be done, I guess. So let's see. Custom handgun. So I want to see the flamethrower count, I guess, in order to make the machine gun. Actually, not two enemy types. It's just one type if you have a support character in the same room. Zombies, no matter the types, actually just count as one type. So, for example, you could have Misty and regular zombies just as well as Ada, because they use the same code, so it's possible to use both slots in that case. Though with the PC build it's actually possible to do something like the Resident Evil 0 partner system, since the AI for a character is actually used as a special slot, which this is how it works. The game has 34 slots for enemies, and slot 0 is the player and slot 1 is the support character. If you go over two types on PC, nothing really happens. It still works fine mostly. Yes, girls benefit. I already have the mini-me in my custom game somewhere. I have the mini-me and the Uzi. They are textured and everything. Actually, let me see if I still have it somewhere here. I think it's in the let's see. There we go, mini-me. This is the mini-me that I had in my little game. There we go. This is the mini-me, styled pretty much like the original weapons. And I'm not sure if I still have the Uzi. I think yeah, it's actually the Ingram. It's not the Uzi. And there it is. This is the Uzi. Actually, let me disable. What? Oh no, okay, there we go. There, this is the Uzi. I already have the models and the textures for this. They would just have to be put on some hand model, and that's it. Really, that's all. Let me think. Okay, I quickly need to go grab something. I'll be back in a few minutes. I totally forgot that I was going to do this. So, see you in a few minutes. I'm just leaving the stream to go for the moment, so be right back. Okay, got myself some tea, milk and biscuits, so time to enjoy. Downloading a video card. It is very possible to use the Minimi as a replacement for the Gatling gun if nobody likes it. Yeah, crumbs everywhere, though it's just in the cup of tea and milk, so there are no actual crumbs. Delicious. So, okay, let's go for this. So what I want to override are, well, it's just this function really. Though this function apparently also works for this weapon here, which is the spark shot. I don't think the spark shot really works with a reload, but I might check that one out just in case. I mean, the game could still have some sort of way to do that. So who knows what the hell it's trying to do. Could really be doing something. Though I could probably just override some of the data to never try and go into that. Nice biscuits. Okay, let's try. Let's analyze. Wait a second, how many weapons actually use this? It's a good half of them. Okay. Delicious. So PM, this should be pecan and this is PSAC. And this is key trigger. The declaration type is void. Okay, so this is pretty much what I need to override for this. Well, actually, not really much to do. Really. Though I might have to change maybe this check. Ah, no, wait, no, I don't need to change any of this. I probably want to change this, though. If I remember correctly, this piece of code here triggers the vibration, so I don't want that to go away. Okay, let's try this. This is more like 5 of them. Yes, please, remap. And this is R3. Please name. 3. And this is just going to be called TBL. There we go. The rest of them pretty much straightforward, I guess. So let's get this into my game. And let's see, I probably don't need any of these, I'm guessing. Yeah, don't need any. And this can be like this. And actually, more like a table. I need to declare this, so it should be static, and don't want to declare anything, so it should be 0, 18, 12, 0, 15. There we go, done. The table is set, and then R3 doesn't need to be here at all. Let's change this cast. This is not necessary at all. There, change the cast again. And actually, this is going to be a bit more messy to fix. There we go. Fix this and this, and the status flags takes I think high bind, so this is like it.